Hello, hi there. This is Random Rose, and today's topic is air pollution by Ritika Ghondalekar. What was once dismissed as a seasonal cough or temporary breathlessness and dryness of skin, especially during the winter season, is now emerging as a much deeper health crisis for Mumbai. Medical experts warn that breathing difficulties are only the first visible symptom of a growing list of pollution-induced health problems affecting residents across age groups, with air quality frequently slipping into the poor and very poor categories. Doctors are witnessing a surge in patients suffering from ailments that go far beyond respiratory distress. Medical experts say prolonged exposure to polluted air laden with fine particulated matter, construction dust and vehicular emissions is triggering inflammations across multiple systems of the body. Doctors have noticed a rise in cases related to the throat and skin. Satish Ambi, the father of the 14-year-old boy, told journalists about 2 months ago our son developed several throat pain. We went to a local ENT who prescribed some medication. However, he did not feel any better. Later, we approached Dr. Nupur Kapoor Nerurkar, who asked us if our son had been shouting or consuming a lot of oily and spicy food. But it wasn't so. We just told her that he has an habit of reading out loud when studying for an SSC exam. But she said that this couldn't be the sole reason. Then she asked us if there was a lot of dust near our home or school. We then told her that a lot of construction activity was going on near our home. We were transferring stretches when metro work is taking place when dropping him off at school. This is what when she shared that elevated dust levels had resulted in cyst formation. ENTs have explained that persistent inhalation of pollution air causes the vocal cords to dry out and swell and saliva to thicken. Dr. Nupur, laryngologist and voice surgeons at Bombay hospitals, said pollution can cause changes in the body where secretions such as saliva and mucus become thicker, leading to the inflammation of tissues of the upper and lower airway. We are seeing more patients with vocal fold cast development. This means that due to inhaling a large amount of polluted air, the glands that produce secretions get blocked and thus the cyst forms. Similarly, thickening of secretions in the throat due to inhaling highly polluted air and causing inflammation of the mucosa can cause the eustachian tube, which connects the back of the throat to the eardrums, and also get inflamed, resulting in problems in the ear and throat. Skin can't breathe, cases of contact dermatitis, eczema flares, unexplained rashes and pigmentation issues have also risen significantly over the past few months. Dr. Sonali Kohli, senior consultant dermatology, Sir H.N. Reliance Foundation Hospital, said over the past month we have seen an increase in patients presenting with superficial skin infections and inflammatory flare. Many of these patients have reported new or worsening symptoms. In our clinic, we have seen an approximate 25% rise in such patients. Pollution is a possible contribution factor, but rarely the sole cause. She added particulate matter and gaseous pollutants lead to oxidative stress or skin cells, causing barrier disruptions and increased susceptibility to irritants, allergens, and pathogens and inflammations, resulting in exacerbations of eczema, atopic dermatitis, and acne-like flares. Dr. Kohli said other contributors such as seasonal humidity changes, increased interpersonal contact, changes in hygiene practices, mass use, sweat occlusions, and behavior factors often act together, so it is reasonable to say pollution may be an important driver, she added. Ronak Shinde, who lives in Mankhurd and travels to the Mumbai airport daily by road, said his skin had developed extreme dryness around 3 weeks ago. Despite no change in my routine of food intake or travel habits, I suddenly began experiencing extreme itching and developing rashes that bled if I scratched a bit. After a few tests, my dermatologist explained that the skin dryness has increased massively. We soon realized that it had turned dry due to increased pollution levels. He then prescribed some creams and medications, and now the situation is a bit better, said Shinde. His doctor, Dr. Sharifa Aisa Chause, MBBS GDVL, said when particulate matter comes in contact with the skin, it creates oxidative stress which sparks an inflammatory response. Skin has a trans-epidermal layer which helps balance hydration levels. Particulate matter damages skin barriers, the foundational protective layers of our skin. This leads to infections and imbalances.
Please do subscribe my channel Random News.